Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good, good. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, and you?
Very good, very good. I am from Kansas in the United States.
Okay, United States.
Yes, very good. In Kansas, it is towards the center or the middle of the United States.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, awesome. It's really nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Thank you, thank you. Is this your first time on Cambly or no, it's not your first time?
Not first time. I use Cambly often.
Use Cambly often. Okay, that's great to hear. Very good. How long have you been using Cambly for?
Since 1 month.
For about 1 month now.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. How do you like it so far?
Yeah, I like it. I love free conversation because it's help us to improve our spoken English. So that's why.
Right. Yes, exactly. I definitely agree. Just being able, to have a free conversation with someone and ask each other questions is very helpful in practicing English.
Yeah, of course, especially in the
Good.
spoken English.
Yes, definitely. How long do you think you've been practicing English for?
Yeah, 5 to 6 months would be quite enough.
5 or 6 months?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, that's great. And what is your goal with English? What are you hoping to do after you learn English?
Yeah, I want to learn English because it's international language. So if we want to communicate to the world, mean to the people throughout the world, so definitely we need to learn it because everyone may know English throughout the world, being international language, and also it is needed for workplaces where we are supposed to be work.
Right.
For example, I am a software engineering student, so of course we'll be doing work in software houses. So that software houses might be in our country, Pakistan, or outside of the country, maybe in the Europe. So there will be need of English.
Yes, I definitely agree with all of that for sure. English is definitely, like you said, an international language, a very popular language, and definitely very popular in the workplace, like what you were saying. Definitely.
Yeah.
So, did I hear this right? Are you a software engineer? Did I hear that correctly?
Yes, yes, correctly.
Wow, that sounds like a very interesting job. Can you tell me a little bit more about that? I'm curious to know like what you do.
Yeah, the work of software engineering is to build a software, to develop a software,
Right.
or websites. So
So it's like the development of websites then, is that right?
yeah, development of websites or applications.
Very good. And applications. So developing websites and applications. Oh,
Yeah.
wow, that's really cool. That sounds like it could be a really fun job.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That way I love my field.
Good, good. And it sounds like you must really enjoy technology, right? Or you wouldn't have went into software engineering.
Yeah, of course I enjoy it.
Good, good. That's awesome. So my full-time job outside of Cambly, of course, is I actually work in a middle school, and
Mhm.
I am a school counselor. Sometimes I know even people in the United States don't really always know what a school counselor is or what we do. Are you familiar with what a school counselor is?
Not too much.
Not too much. Okay. Okay. So, what I always say is the big picture of my job as a school counselor is I help students solve problems. Okay. So, maybe
Mhm.
having problems at school, maybe the problem is with a teacher or with a friend.
Mhm.
Or maybe they're having problems at home. You would be surprised. I get that one quite a bit too. So, what happens is when they have a problem, they come and see me. And then as the school counselor, I then help them talk through that problem. And then I also help them come up with solutions to help fix the problem or make the problem better. Okay. So that's basically the big picture of my job. Now, I do have several other duties and in addition to helping students solve problems. And one of those is teaching students social and emotional skills. Okay. So, what happens is I usually go into the classroom one time a month and do a lesson over social and emotional skills. So, that might be about stress management, that might be about anxiety. That might be time management or organizational skills because, oh my goodness, middle school students certainly need time management skills and organizational
Yeah,
skills for sure. And this year, I'm the eighth grade counselor. So my students are anywhere between that 13 and 14-year-old range. I know middle school was a long time ago for us, but we know that
yeah.
middle school was maybe kind of a little bit of an awkward stage, right? In our childhood. So our students definitely need some help kind of navigating life at this age and just teaching them those social and emotional skills so that way when they're older, they will have those. So
Oh,
what
that's great
that's what I do.
words.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's what I do full time. And then of course I teach on Cambly in the evenings after my full time job and then also on the weekends. I just enjoy being on Cambly. I love meeting new people and I absolutely love learning about other countries and cultures and everything. It's very interesting to me. So I,
Yeah, that's awesome.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So do you like to do anything in your free time?
Yeah, in my free time, I give some time to my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel.
Awesome. Okay.
I actually, yeah, I have actually two channel. In one channel, I upload video related to my field, software engineering.
Awesome.
Then somehow I can say that I teach on YouTube. And another channel is about English, in which I upload a video related to English, that how people learn English
That's
and
awesome.
communication, like people like communicating with you.
Okay.
So such types of communication which encourage people there, because they are helping us to improve our spoken communication English. Although there are many people who have good command on English grammar, but they can't speak when they come to speaking. Mean their spoken English is weak, because they will be good in the written English, but spoken English is weak.
Right.
So such a type, such a platform like Cambly, it helps us to improve, especially our spoken English.
Right.
So I really like it due to this reason.
Awesome. So it sounds like so you have your own YouTube channel, but it sounds like you've made some English videos to help teach other people how to learn English, right?
Yeah, yeah,
That is amazing. Wow, good for you. And wow, that's just amazing, because you've said you've been studying English for 5 or 6 months now. And the fact that you've already been able to make YouTube videos to help people learn English, wow, rock on. That's awesome.
yeah.
Very good.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome. So I am curious, since you've been practicing English for 5 or 6 months now, do you feel like you struggle more with like speaking English, reading English, or writing English? Do you struggle with any of those at all? Okay.
Yeah, actually, I have taken it serious from few months. Although we had a subject, one English subject, all our school life, but we were not taking to those subject seriously.
Okay.
So because they will teach us grammar and etc these things, but the spoken skill was very low, because nobody will speak English there in school. Only teacher will teach us, then he left, so we will forget those things.
Mhm.
So now when we become elders and are in university, so we felt that how it is important for us to learn. So actually, I have a good writing skill as well, but in spoken English, I feel hesitation. So
Okay.
I joined. such a platform to improve my spoken English.
Okay. Okay. So it sounds like you're just